Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look at what are the best tools in TradingView. This is going to help with marking up your charts. Okay, let's get into it. So the first one we will look at is trend line. Second will be horizontal line. Third, horizontal ray. Fourth, we'll look at fib retracement. Fifth is the brush tool, so we can draw on the charts. Sixth is a nice rectangle to identify key levels. Then we have the text, always good to identify and write on your charts as you're going along. Third, we look at price label here. Long position to work out risk to reward for buying. Short position, work out risk to reward of selling. We then have the measuring ruler to identify how many pips the move has done. We then have the magnet tool. These are the tools that we use to trade day to day in the Forex market. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.